Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, I'm doing a 3-year follow-up on this Hitachi blower. I'm telling you, this is the best one on the market. If you have a medium-sized need, this thing is absolutely awesome. Second recommendation I'm going to give you, for my application, I use this once a week for about 15 minutes. That's it and that's all. Now, it's powerful. Don't get me wrong. You could use this for a much bigger property, but my advice is this. This fuel right here, if you buy this, it's 3 times more expensive than going to the gas station. However, it will last almost forever, right? Basically, this will last a year or 2 sitting in the shed, something like that, and it doesn't start to break down. If you buy regular gasoline and then mix it yourself, that's really great if you go through a lot of gasoline on a regular basis. The problem is, as you know, that gasoline gets old pretty quick, and all of a sudden you have that corn baloney ethanol that we're putting in there. It starts separating, and then you clog up the motor on your blower that you spent all this money on. So 2 pieces of advice. Get this guy right here, this Hitachi. I'll show you. It's awesome. And then also, I strongly recommend, especially if you're only going through like a gallon per month, this gallon right here is going to last me like 3 months. That is the way to go, no question about it. So this guy right here, it's been about 3 years, still works absolutely awesome. Still starts, it used to start on the second pull every single time. Now sometimes it takes like 2 or 3 pulls, but that's it. I'm not exaggerating. It's not like 7 or 11 or 15 pulls. It's like 2 or 3. All right, you want me to prove it to you? All right, I'll put the phone to the side for a second. Let's put on the choke. Look, I'm not kidding. This thing is awesome, awesome. Alright guys, listen, I'll put a link down in the description below how you can check this guy out online. Again, I purchased mine online, took about 4 minutes to put together, and I'm telling you, I'm past 3 years, and this thing is still working fantastic. I wish I could say the same for some of the other 2-stroke, small little engines like this I have, but this Hitachi is a home run. Alright guys, listen, if you liked this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.